on Codeforces. There has some scenario of this domino piling. You are given a rectangular board and the board size is m into n squares, and the unlimited standard domino, each domino pieces fixed will be 2 into 1 squares. So you are allowed to rotate this piece, so it can be 2 into 1, 1 into 2 pieces, it can be rotated. So you are asked to place domino as possible with the following condition. There has some three condition. First condition is each domino completely cover 2 squares, so it must be complete with the 2 square, at least 2 square must be needed, and no two dominoes overlap, and each domino lies entirely inside the board. It is allowed to touch the edges of the board. So the maximum number, we should find the maximum number of dominoes which can be placed under these restrictions. In this in this scenario, the input there has two integer input like m into n. It is the board size in square, and output we must in one number, the maximum number of domino which can be placed on this m into n rectangles. Now we can see that what is the problem said. That said that there has m into n dominoes, which is our input. There has two integer like m into n, two integer that's our input, that is the rectangle size, and there has the domino pieces 2 into 1 square. So each domino pieces must be 2 into 1 square or 1 by 2 square. It can be rotated, and if it will be rotated, then we can see that it will be a same size on this section. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 1, it can be rotated. And so there has some three condition. First condition, each domino completely covers 2 square. So each domino must be contained with 2 square. There must be a 2 square. And second condition, on domino, no two dominoes overlap. No two dominoes can be overlap, means it cannot be possible on this section. And also each domino lies entirely inside the board. It is allowed to touch the edge board, or it can be touched. Another condition, on each domino lies entirely inside this board, so it allows to touch the edge of this board. So it can touch the board on this section. No, there has no problem, but it can not be out on this board. This is the condition of this section. So while we can say that there has two areas like m into n areas which are input, like 2 into 4, like we take input m2 and into n equal to 4. So we can say that total areas will be 8. It is our counted our area section, and we can count at our fixed area section on which can be supported on these rectangle areas, like 2 into 1, that will be a 2. So there has two area values, like one is 8 and another one is 2. So we can say that how much rectangle we can and use on this how can square we can use on this rectangle section. So we can say that 8 divided by 2, so we can say the 4 areas as rectangle we can use. So now we can say that there has two input. There has two input, and input must be calculated, so we can use this CAL. So input take as C in and then calculation on want to find the area like m into n. After that there has fixed There have fixed area like 2 into 1. There are fixed square on these domino pieces which can be placed on the rectangular. That is 2 into 1, 1 into 2. When it will be rotated 1 into 2, that will be the same values. So we can see that we can find the value like C out CL divided by 2. Now we will run the program. Now we take input 1 by 1 like 2, 4. It will be get an output on 4. Now another one will check, and 3 and 3 it will be output on 4. So now we will submit our code. The code has been successfully accepted. Thank you.